Are you ready to elevate your home this fall and Christmas? I'm going to share with you what I found on my Hobby Lobby haul. The things I saw, the things I found, and the things that I bought, and how they barricaded one aisle that I could not go down, and it drove me crazy. So get ready for some serious inspiration. There was so much to see. I mean, this is when I first walked into the store. Dollar Tree had those, but they were in silver. I wonder will Dollar Tree have them this season in that burnt orange color. Everything is still 30% off. The fall section, excuse me, is 30% off. Nothing in the Christmas sections have been discounted, but they look so good. And you know what? But they're selling. So just remember there might be some certain items that you want to buy that may be in the store. Their picks are really hard to get the closer you get into fall. So I know we're all waiting for the 30 to 40% off. The other day I was in there looking at some of the poinsettias. When I went back today, they only had two of that color. So somebody's buying, and I know that they'll have them online, but they'll be limited. So just make sure you do get what you want. And sometimes you might just have to spend that, extra $4 or $5, but you're getting what you want. Just look at all what they have for the kitchen, the dishes, the orange, the blue, and sage. So cute. These napkin rings, I almost got them. $2.49. But something tells me that maybe I can make those, because Dollar Tree normally has the pumpkins on a card. And so, it's really not that hard to DIY a napkin ring. So I just said, well, I'm gonna pass that up and I'm gonna see what Dollar Tree comes out with. And they're moving a little slow to me this season coming out with their fall decor. I went into Roses, which is a store I don't normally go into, but because I was over at Harbor Freight with my husband and I got so bored in there that I walked over into Roses and they didn't have anything fall. So I'm still looking for some really good fall bargains. Honestly, I don't think I need anything, but it's out there. We want it. And I'm looking for a particular color for this season. So whatever store can satisfy me, that's who I'm gonna go with. Look at all of the mugs. Hobby Lobby has really added a lot of fall items for this season. And I've been, hearing people talk about what they have and what's out there. There's the potpourri, and they have everything set up just beautifully. And my local Hobby Lobby. Now, there's another one, maybe like 30 minutes from this one that I thought about going to. But because it's so hot right now, I said, I'll wait another day and just see what comes out of this store. But I didn't purchase anything dealing with the fall items. I'm actually waiting for the 40%. If we get the 40% with everything that's going on, they put these items out so early and they almost instantly mark them down to 30%. So I'm wondering, will we get the 40? And most of us, we really wait on that 90%. 75 and then the 90%, but you have such slim pickings once you get to that. But I have seen and found so much that yes, I would come back to get. There wasn't too much in this section that I wanted besides maybe these these jars. No, it's the pumpkins. I really like those. I don't normally do a lot with wood, but this was nice, and definitely that that is just everything. But the glass pumpkins, I like them because I'm trying to get rid of all of my silver decor. So I want to buy something. That cranberry burgundy, it's beautiful. I think it would go very well with the ivory and the gold that I'm decorating with here in my home for this season. So we'll see. So just keep watching and let me know, have you purchased anything to go towards your fall decor? How soon will you be putting out your fall decor? Myself, I'm waiting for September 19th. I think it's September 19th. Isn't that? Yeah, that's right before fall comes in. I want everything already set up so that way I can have my fall. It's after Labor Day. I can get rid of all of that spring, summer stuff and go into what I have the most of. This right here. I almost picked it. I almost bought this. It's a snow globe, but I thought maybe it was damaged. I kept trying to turn it on, but it was the only one that I saw in the store. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to put it back because there was something that I did really come to get, and fall was not it. And I wanted to let you guys see what my Hobby Lobby had. We don't have any Christmas trees out yet. There was a lot of garland that I saw, but not a lot of, no trees are out yet. And I've watched some other videos where they have trees are out. Even my ornaments that are at my Hobby Lobby, they have them up high, on the top shelf, that you can't even purchase those. They had some that were down, but some of the others you couldn't, purchase. All of these wreaths, these mini wreaths, they're really, really pretty. I guess this is a wreath, or it could be a candle ring. You can put it on your table and put a candle in the center of it. Maybe that's what it is, because it is in the aisle with the candles. So we're going to watch and listen to this music, and I'm going to get right back with you. What I did find, which was very tempting, and I fell for the temptation, 66% off of the summer decor, the spring shop, 66% off. I did buy just a little, but you know what I ended up doing? I left it in the store. So I had to get somebody to go back, pick up my items. I guess I was so excited with the other stuff I bought, I left it in the store. But here's what we've been waiting on. Here is the Christmas decor. Look at all of this. Oh, can you imagine this on a pastel tree? All the candies. I would love to do this for my granddaughter for her bedroom. Or well, for kids, I don't know about this for my grandson, but maybe this could possibly be my tree that I put in my den. It's going to be a slim tree. And so this could be just something for the kids to enjoy. But I believe that these were $17.99 each, between $14.99 and $17.99. And this was a bin they had on the floor, and I just opened it because I'm nosy like that. Fur to go on the tree. Okay, fam. This is the aisle that they would not let me or anyone else down because they were trying to put out ornaments. Well, I was there to shop. I wanted those ornaments. And I'm talking about I wanted them bad. So maybe I'll go back in a day or two and see can I purchase. It looks like it's going to be a big Christmas season. Look at the Christmas train set. Nice. I don't know if this is the kind that go around the tree or just to have on display. But as you see, the garland, it's all up top. The only way I could get any of that was to ask someone, and they looked like they were so busy. But I'm very interested in the gold, and then I'm interested in the green that doesn't have the berries. I try to get my camera to zoom in as much as possible to show you guys some prices, but as you see, they haven't put any of it. There's just a few wreaths down, unless they've sold this many this soon. But there's not a lot of items that are just at eye level. Now, this is another aisle that is pretty much full, and these are some picks. I needed these, but they're not quite gold enough. I think this is more of a champagne color, but I do like a lot of what I see. These could go on maybe some of my smaller trees, but this is what I came at. I came for the picks, and I'm talking about the floral picks, the glitter picks, and the large and in charge picks to go on my tree. Y'all, I have been trying since July 1 to do a Christmas in July video. I guess they got some of the fall decor kind of mixed in, but because I'm not using the traditional colors, I've been kind of having a hard time ordering some things because I do want to do a video of a Christmas tree so I can be a part of Christmas in July. But these here have definitely gotten my attention. And I'm sure I'll probably do something on my porch or outdoors with some of the more traditional colors, the closer, it gets to the holidays. But as of right now, I'm just trying to do something for Christmas in July. And then I know I will repurpose it once Christmas time gets here. So I am so glad that you all joined me for my walkthrough at Hobby Lobby fall. Y'all, look at these. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. I was just so uncertain about them. And some of the picks were maybe like $11.99, some $7.99. I saw a few $12.99, I think, but not what you call too much. So they're reasonable. What I bought was, I think I spent maybe like $114 and maybe 9 picks, but you'll see that in my video. So make sure you watch my Christmas in July video. I have to come up with a theme. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, and if you have not yet, subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. That is so important. It would help me out so much. Let's grow together. Watch my channel grow, watch me grow, and we will do it together. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day. And as always, happy decorating.